Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the tear up paper effect. Tear up paper effect. So initially what you're going to want to do is media, click and drag your clip to the timeline, then effects, video effects, retro, and then we'll be able to locate the tear up paper effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline, and then we're going to scroll through it just to check out how it looks, and then find the moment where my sister drops, actually, not exactly when she drops it, but when she's trying to catch the phone but misses. What else we can do is go to the special effects tab and we can mess with the filter, the speed, and the texture of this effect. You guys can play around with those settings as you'd like. So let's take a look. And there you have it, the tear up paper effect. Guys, if this was helpful, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.